Located on one of the island's prime spots, Park Drive will make you feel as if you were on top of the world. With a whole house generator, luggage lift, and hurricane shutters, you can enjoy perks not usually found in a weekly rental cottage. Take a peek at the nice-sized man cave before moving into the entry-level mudroom and laundry area. Head upstairs to the mid-level to find 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are master suites, and 3 baths. You will be able to entertain family and friends in the very large and open living, kitchen, and dining rooms, all while enjoying the ocean-to-sound views through the vaulted wall of windows. Continue entertaining outside on the large deck or screened-in porch. Take the spiral staircase to the loft area, which allows for another sitting area of nice office space. Park Drive is the place to make your beach living dreams come true.
NC12 Realty, connecting you to Hatteras Island.